How to factory reset Samsung phone without password. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Samsung phone. First thing you want to do is open up your settings menu and then scroll down over here until you find general management. Tap on it and then you can find the reset option down below. Tap on reset and then you'll have different option to factory reset, factory data reset. It's going to reset your phone to its factory default settings and it will erase all of data, including files and downloaded apps. So just tap on that option. Now you can scroll all the way to the bottom and here you'll find the reset button. Now you can just tap on reset and all of your data will be erased from your phone and it will be brand new. You can also use Smart Switch to back up your data on an SD card or a USB storage device before resetting your phone if you need your data. And once you have done that, you should be able to factory reset your device. There's one more thing you can do if your phone is locked. So I'll just tell you what you can do. What you basically have to do is turn off your phone, and when you power it back on by pressing and holding on to your power button, and when you power it back up, you need to press volume down and the power button again. And then after that, for a few seconds, you need to do it with the volume up button. You'll get to the Android recovery page. From there, you need to use your volume up or down to navigate your settings, and you'll have an option to erase data from there. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.